Good morning, students. As you all can see, and as I had said, today I had explained up to example 3 to all of you uh, the text before exercise 5C. So, students, if you will see here, example 4, this is also a multiplication. This multiplication is of two digit AB and BA. Okay, students, as I had said that when we are solving here, it can be 9 also, but in that case, A and B both becomes equal in example 3. So when you are solving, you try to get different values of different variable. If it is same, then there should be the same variable, not the different variable. Thinking that you have to just assume such values which will be giving different value of different variable. So if you will see here, AB, BA and BCB is there. So what you can do is you can assume any number on the basis of the criteria it has been shown. As you can see, the first criteria here is A, B into A, or A into B is B. That means from here anyone can be 1. Okay, anyone can be 1. Not only that, okay, if you will see B into 1 will be only B, and after that if you will take any other numbers, like I will say just let the be A not be 1 or any other number, and while multiplying again it comes the same number. There are of course many such numbers, like if it is 6, okay, if you will see like this, okay, here B into A, like it can be B can be also 2 and A can be also 6, then 6 to 12 it can become. So several numbers are there, but you can assume it with a smaller number. As you can see over here, at first it has been assumed, let that A is equal to 1. Then what will happen? Simply in such two digit multiplication, you will keep to check your answer. Here in place of A, 1 has been kept and it has been multiplied. 1 into B is B, 1 into 1 is 1, and B into B is B square, and B into 1 is 1. So it becomes B, and then after here B square plus 1, and then after B. Okay, so if you will see this criteria here, BCB, so BB criteria is matching and C is different. Of course C is different than there is B square plus 1. So now what it has been done, that now 1 plus B square is one digit number and B is not equal to A is equal to 1. As I had said, both should not be the same number when we are assuming. Okay, as we had assumed that A is equal to 1, so again in place of B also we can keep 1 only. No, when you are assuming the variable, you should assume different variable. Now why it has been said that B square plus 1 should be not single digit number? Are you thinking that? If you are thinking that, then why 1 plus B square is can't be two digit number, then you are thinking right. I will explain you that why B square plus 1 should not be two digit number, because here it has been given B only. If it will become two digit number, then this will not become B, this will become B plus 1. Okay, are you getting? So this will not become B. So for making it B only, this should be a single digit number only, and for being a single digit number other than 1, there is only a single number, that is 2. 2 square is 4. If I will keep 3 also, then 3 square plus 1, it will become 10 two digit number. So it has been kept, said that B is not equal to A is equal to 1, so therefore B is equal to 2, and C becomes 1 plus B square is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So this is how you have to make. Okay, and if you had understood it, it is okay. And as I had listened during the online class also, few students said that no sir, when you are explaining in online class, we are being able to understand in better way, and even we can ask you, but in video we are not being able to ask you. So I am saying with this video to everyone, Whatever the doubt is there when you are watching the video, simply underline it in your book with pencil, or even you can write it in your copy that these things in this example I didn't understood. Okay, and when there will be online class, you ask me, I will be explaining there. Okay, so that's all students, how to solve. I had explained you over here. Now we will move towards example 5. Okay, it is division. Find the value of a, b, c in the following. If you will see over here, of course clearly it has been written. If you will see here, it is 9, 4 a, b is there, and 5 c is there, and you can see with 5 it has been divided. So it is clear that the number after subtracting we got 3. So we can write a minus 5 is equal to 3. So that means a is equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. As you can see here, it has been written like this. Now b comes down, and you can see 9 into c is 36, and it has been exactly cancelled. So it will be cancelled if there in place of b there will be 6. Then only 36 minus 36 it will become 0. So b minus 6 is 0, that is b is equal to 6, you can write. And c, 9 4s are 36 it becomes. So in place of c there should be 4. So here it has been written c is equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to 8, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 4. Now if you will see example 6, here it has been said find the values of a, b, c, d, e, f, g in each of the following. There are 7 numbers which you have to find. Now let's see how we will be finding. From here 1, it is clear that if this number is multiplied with 1, it will be 28, as it has been kept 28. So AB is what? 28. So in place of A there should be 2, and in place of B there should be 8. So when 28 becomes clear, now the C, 4C minus 28 becomes 15. So you can understand here such number should be there, like 8, 5, 13 is there. So 13 can't be our here 2-digit number, so 3 will be there. Okay, so 1 carry then 13, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So what will be the in place of C? There will be 3. As you can see, 13 minus 8 is 5, so C is equal to 3. It has been written. Now D comes down, and if you will see, it has been multiplied with F. Now as we knew that AB is 28, so 28 into F is equal to 140. Simply we can divide 140 with 28. What number you will get, that will be the answer. So 28 into 5, it is 140. As you can see over here, so F becomes 5. Now E comes down after subtracting. You can see F becomes 5, and from D minus 0 is 6. So D is 6. Okay, as you can see D is 6. It has been written D minus 0 is equal to 6. So D is equal to 6. Okay. Now this E comes down, and 28 into G is 16E. Okay, so we will multiply, and we will see that it has been cancelled exactly. So the numbers when multiply with G should come 160 something. Okay, so let's multiply 20 table, we can do it. 26 you will get 168. Okay. After this, when we will go bigger also, then in 10th digit there will not be 6. If you will go smaller also, then in 10th digit there will not be 6, which means that yes, that will be only 168 only, and it should be multiplied with 6 to get 168. So G becomes 6 and E becomes 8. So in this way you have to find the missing value. You have to assume and you have to find those values which fix properly for the given sum or problems. Okay, that is only your answer. I hope you all are understanding it. Now after this, if you will see, there is exercise 5C, and as I had said during online class, I had solved the few questions. Okay, first number I think I had solved it. You can see this is addition. Okay, let's go to the solution and see over there itself. Chapter 6 is in our syllabus. Okay, after this video and online explanation of this chapter, we will go in chapter 6 also. So you can see, yes, one number I had done here, plus sign by mistake it has been left. You can write by yourself. 5a plus 87 is equal to CB3. So as we know, here I have written here 7 plus a is equal to 3. That is 7 plus a is equal to 13 I have written, because when we will add something then it will be bigger, not a smaller. So 13. And as you know, okay, a can't be negative, because when we suppose if I will subtract over here, if I will do in place of a, if I will keep minus 4, then it will be 3. But in this case it will not be negative. So a is equal to what? 13 minus 7, that is 6. This 7 comes this side, so 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. So in this way we get the value of a. Now 5 plus 8, not 5 plus 8. Okay, it is addition, sorry. So it is addition, so 13 it will be, and 1 will be carried, okay. So now 5 plus 1 plus 8 will be the b, or CB you can see, because after this there is no number. So what happens? 14 is equal to CB. So in place of C there is 1, and in place of B there is 4. So I written, so C is equal to 1 and B is equal to 4. Hence A is equal to 6. What I had found, again I had written all the value at one line, that is A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to 1. It's very simple. When you apply thinking critically, then you will find, okay, oh, this is easy. If you will not apply critical thinking over there, then it will be the difficult for you. Critical thinking means thinking according to the question. Now let's see towards question number 2. As you can see, question number 2 I had not solved. I had solved question number 3. So if you will see question number 2 over here, yes, I'll be trying to explain you orally. I hope all of you can understand also. Here you can see 6 plus a is 13. So as you know, 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 is there, so that means 13 only, because it can't be smaller. So 7a becomes 7. Now 1 goes carry over here. So b plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 10 plus b is 17. Because 7 it can't be, smaller it can't be. So 17. So that means 10 plus 7 it will become 17. So c is 7. Okay. And then, sorry, b is 7. And then after again 1 goes carry, so it will become c plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 11. So we know c plus 1 is 7, 7 plus c is 11, that means 1 it can't be, smaller it can't be, so it can be 7 plus 4 is 11. So c will be 4, and 1 again go carry over there, 4 1 5 and 5 3 8. So I hope all of you understood how to keep it. Now if you will see over here, a plus a plus a is written ba. That means when we are adding 3 single digit number, we are getting a double digit number, that also at unit place the same. So simply you can assume also. How you can assume? Let's see. 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 3. It is not 2 digit number, so there is no chance of being 1. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. It is also single digit number, no chance of being over there. 3 into 3 into 3, 9, single digit, no chance. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. There is no chance. It is double digit, but also it is not chance, because if you are adding 4 plus 4 plus 4, then at the sum in unit digit also there should come 4 only, but here it is coming 12. That is not BA. If you will see 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. Of course this is possible, and this will be only the answer. Why? Because you see 5 plus 5 plus 5, it becomes 15. That comes in the form of some digit with 5, and as there also b and a is there, so b can be 1 and a can be 5. You can see the solution. Question number 3 solution I had solved and I had sent. Okay, so here it is, question number 3 solution. Here, adding 3 identical single digit gives 2 digit number with identical digit at unit place. You can see identical digit is at unit place, so a must be 5. I'm saying a must be 5. Why? Because 5 plus 5 plus 5, that becomes 15. So 5 is the answer. Hence a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Okay, let's see question number 4. Here it is 6a, ab, that is in subtraction. Now a minus b should be 7. okay, and 6 minus a should be 3. So let's see, whatever the number we will be keeping over there, that minus b should be 7. And it is also clear that a will be only there and a is not bigger than 6. Why? Because 6 minus a is 3. So there is two options, either a can be 2 or a can be 3, because 6 minus 3 is 3. But it will not be 3. Why? Because if a will be 3, then it will be taking carry 1 over here. It will be giving 13 minus b, that will become 7. So 13 minus b is 7. When you will solve that, it will become 13 minus 7 is equal to b, that is b is 6. Okay, but here when it will give carry 1, and if it is 3, then what will happen? 5 minus 3, it will happen 2. So this will not be answer. Then you will be asking what will be the answer. So let's see, there it will become, a will become 2. Why I am saying 2? Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry, 9 it is, yes. 2, why I am saying? Because it will become 12. Okay, this number will become 12 and 1 taken carry, so it becomes 12, and 12 minus b is 7. So 12 minus 5 will become 7. So b will become 5, a will become 2, and you can see when it has given carry 1 to a, that is 2, that is becomes 12, and here it remains 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So what will be the answer? It will be a is equal to 2 and b is equal to how much? 5. Now if you will see, students, question number 5, here it is CB528A. So 5 minus a is equal to 9. Now see, after subtracting we are getting a big number. That means 5 is not independent, it has taken 1 carry from this b, so it becomes 15. 15 minus a is 9. So a will go another side and 9 will come this side. So 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. So a is 6. Okay, in this way you will be showing in that in the answer. I will be showing you the solution also. Okay, let's see at orally at first. Okay, so now when it gives 1 carry, it becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is 9, as you know. So a becomes 6. Now here 1 has been given carry, so this becomes b minus 1, and b minus 1 minus 8 is equal to 5. So we know from any a small number, if we will subtract 8, then we will not be getting 5 even in second digit number. So it will be exchanged with 2 digit number. Like you can see, b minus 8 is 5 here it is. So what will happen? 1 already given. Okay, so we know from 15, now we will assume this as 15. From 15 8 goes, then it comes 7. So 8 7 15 it will become. After giving 1 it should be 7. So b is how much? 8. Then only after giving 1 it should be 7. Sorry, not 7, 15 it will be, so 5. So here it should be 6, and b will become 5. After giving 1 it will become 5. Sorry. Okay, I'll be explaining this b. Let's see. Okay, here you can see the solution of question number 5. Here you can see, yes, it is 5 minus a is equal to 9. So from 5, if you will subtract a smaller number, any number, then it can't be bigger than the 5. So that means it is not 5, it is 15. I had written here 5 minus a is equal to 9, which is not possible. Why? Because from 5 we subtract any number, okay, then it will become 9. Of course, the number can't be negative over here, because whole number is represented by minus sign over here. So this all while subtracting we create as a positive. This is subtraction sign. Okay, so what happens? Then it will become 15 minus a is equal to 9, which is not possible. So 15 minus a is equal to 9. Okay, 5 minus 9, a can't be 9, so 15 minus a is equal to 9. So what will happen? Now this minus a will go that side and 9 will come this side. So 15 minus 9 is equal to a. therefore a is equal to 15 minus 9 I had written, that is a is equal to 6, as you can see now. When a will be 6, then 15 minus 6, of course it will be 9. Now 15 when it becomes, when b will give carry 1 to this, then it will become 15. That means this b now when it comes to subtraction from here, then it becomes b minus 1, because 1 it has given, so it became 15. So this is now b minus 1, and b minus 1 minus 8 is equal to 5, which is again not possible, because as we know the one digit greatest number is 9. Okay, so 9 minus 1, if I'll take b as 9 also, then 9 minus 1 it is 8, and 8 minus 8 it will become 0. So that means again it has taken one carry from c. So you can see over here I had written 1 b minus 1. Suppose if here I think let it any number, okay, let it be, of course if there it has been let it be 7, it has given 1, then it will be 6. So if it is not subtracted, then what we do? We take carry 1, so it becomes 16 minus 8. In same way here this is b, and b has given 1 carry, so it became now b minus 1, and from the b minus 1 8 is not being subtracted, so 1 has been taken carry. So in 10th place there comes 1, and in unit place there will be b minus 1, and minus 8 gives 5. Okay, so now this minus 8 comes this side. Okay, so what will happen? 1 b minus 1 is equal to 5 plus 8, that is 13. So in 10th digit, okay, of course there is 1 itself, so b minus 1, that will be the unit digit, that is 3. So b minus 1 is equal to 3, as you can see here I written, therefore b minus 1 is equal to 3. So what will happen? Minus 1 when comes this side, it will be changed into plus 1. So b is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. So b becomes 4. And now here, as c has given 1 to this, so now here remains c minus 1, and c minus 1 minus 2 becomes 2. So what will happen? C minus 1 will become 2 plus 2. This minus 2 will come this side, then 2 plus 2. So c minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. So c minus 1 is equal to 4. So c is equal to what? 4 plus 1, that is 5. Hence a is equal to 6, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 5. What are the value we got from here? That only I had kept at last. You can see here a I got 6, then after b I got 4, and c I got 5. So I had written a is equal to 6, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 5. So now I will be moving towards next question, question number 6. Okay, you just write the questions and answers, then at first solve the PDF. Okay, copy it. If you do not understand, then again you watch it. Okay, okay, what you have to do is, at first you watch the video. Okay, you are watching video now, and then after you watch the PDF and solve it in the copy. Okay, and again after that, suppose you had not understood question number 5. Okay, then again after that you watch again solution of this video and watch there how I had explained 5. If you will do this watching of the video twice, then you will understand, oh, this is what. Okay, so now you can see over here it has been AB into 3 is CAB. Now from here it is clear that B when multiplied with 3 should give in unit place B only. So how many such numbers are there which when multiplied with 3 gives the same number? Let's see. 1 into 3, it is not giving 1, and then after 2 into 3, it is not giving 2, it becomes 6, that is not 2. Okay, 3 into 3, it is not giving 3, that is becoming 9. Okay, 3 into 4, 12, it is giving 2, not 4. Okay, 3 into 5, 15. Of course there comes 5 only. You can see by keeping 5 over here, here also comes 5. Now let's see if there any other number. 6 3 is 18. Of course here it will be 6 and here it will be 8. It will not be possible. Okay, 7, not, it is not. 7 3 is 21, 1 will be coming here. 8 24, 4 will be coming. 9 27, 7 will be coming. So there is only one number, that is 5. So B can be only 5. Okay, and now as you can see, 5 3s are 15, carry 1 is there. You have to keep it in mind, carry 1 is there. Now there will be what will be the value of A, so that when it is multiplied with 3 and 1 carry is added, then again it will become A only. So let's see, again I am explaining, and that should be 2-digit number, because here is C is also, that you have to consider. After adding 1, that should become at least 2-digit number. So let's see, 3 for, of course for 1 it will not be 2-digit number. If for 2 also it will not be 2-digit number. For 3 it can be 2 digit number, 3 3 is 9 and 1 10, but of course here it will be 3, then here also it should be 3, which is not coming in 10. And if I will keep 4, 4 3 is 12 and 1 13, of course 4 is not coming in the both place. Okay, 5, then 5 3 is 15 and 1 16, of course 5 is not coming at the both place. Okay, 6 6 3 is 18 and 1 19, of course 6 is not coming at both place. 7 7 3 is 21 and 1 22, not coming. 8 8 3 is 24 and 1 25, not coming. 9 9 3 is 27 and 1 28. Okay, here with 9 also it is not coming, 9 only. So let's again start from 1. It can't be, okay, because 3 1 is 3, 2 3 2 is 6 and 1 7, it can't be. 3 3 3 is 9 and 1 10, it can't be. 4 12 and 1 13, it can't be. 3 is coming there by keeping 4. 5 16, it can't be. Okay, 6 18 and 1 19, 9 6 and 9, it will not be. 7 7 3 is 21 and 1 22, it will not be. 8 3 is 24 and 1 25, 5 is coming there, that will not be. Okay, I'm not getting any solution of this A. I had kept over here 5 3 is 15. Okay, so carry 1, and after adding 1 it should come A only, and with 1 it is not coming, 2 also it is not coming, 3 also it is not coming, 4 also, 4 3 is 12 and 1 13 only it happens. Okay, and then after with 5 also it is not coming. Let's see if I had made solution. I think I had made solution of question number 7 only, not of 6. Okay, so let's see what it is given over here. Question number it is 6. Okay, 5C, question number 6. A given 5, which I had said. Okay, okay, B has been made 0 over here. Okay, okay, okay. So students, instead of assuming 1, as you can see, what happens when we are just assuming number. Okay, like I had assumed a B as over here 5, and when we was by carrying over it is not coming, then in that case what will happen? Okay, B, our assumption of B is not proper, so here it has been kept 0, because 0, of course 0 is when multiplied with 3 it will be 0 only. And now there is 5, and 5 3s are 15, 5 and carry 1 will be there, C will be 1. I hope all of you had understand. So sometime what happens, even we can assume 0 when it is not coming the same answer. 7 number I had explained, you can see here it is 2 digit number, and I had explained and solved it in very better way. Okay, this is the last question which I will be explaining in the video. Then after I will be explaining the remaining question in online classes, and if there will be doubt, of course this explained question also I will be explaining during the online classes. If you will see here, it is AB into BA. Okay, now what I had written here, B into A is equal to B. B when multiplied with A is B. So what we can assume? We can assume A as 1. A can be 1. Okay, I had assumed A as 1. Then what will happen? 1B, B1. Then simply 1 into B is B, and 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, I assumed A as 1, then I had kept and made. And B into B is B square, and B into 1 is B. Okay. So B square plus 1 and B. Now you can see here, previously it was given B1 plus C B, and while we are keeping 1, then we are getting B square plus 1 and B. So if you will see, I had shown here the last 2 digit, and here also the last 2 digit, B and B square plus 1. So B plus 1 is here the last digit, and we are getting B over here. That means B square plus 1, when it will become 2 digit number, that means also 2 digit number in such a way so that in carry 1 will be coming, then only this B will become B plus 1. I written also here, which shows that B square plus 1 is 2 digit number having 1 and it at its 10th digit. So b can be 3. That means 3 square plus 1, of course it will become 10 and 1 will be carried to this b. So b can be 3 and c can be 0, because 10 0 will be left over here in b square plus 1 position, because 1 will be carried over here, then c will be 0. Okay, hence value of a can be 1, b can be 3 and c can be 0. Okay, and the number can be like this 1331. And not only that, I am saying not only that, even in place of 1331 it can be also 1441. Why I am saying 1441? Because when we keep 4 also, you can see over here, if b is 4, then at last b plus 1 5 is coming. Okay, c is coming 7. There is no relation of c with any other numbers, and of course here 1 into 4 is 4 only. A as 1, it will become 1 into 4 is 4 only. So it can be also that what, a can be 1, b can be 4 and c can be 7 also. So as I had said during online class, that when we are solving, that doesn't means only one solution of the given question will fit over there. There can be more than one solution also. So students, only this much for the video. Okay, remaining more I will be explaining it during online classes. Okay, thank you everyone.